Kiwi fruit is a distinct fruit, but do not let that turn you away from it. There are many reasons to reconsider this unique little fuzzy fruit. There are so many varieties that taste a little different. Kiwi is an interesting and attractive little fruit. Not only does it look different, but it also has a unique taste. I will admit the first time I saw a kiwi fruit, I thought there is no way I am going to eat that fruit. I did try it, however, and I was pleasantly surprised. What I have found since then is that there are some drastic differences between the varieties of kiwi species. Main varieties of kiwi. We can trace the original kiwi fruit back to Asia. The plant was found in northern China. The plant from which the kiwi grows is the genus Actinidia plant. About 300 years after the plant was first found in China, it was brought to New Zealand. The kiwi fruit has grown tremendously in popularity, so many countries are growing this fruit. The kiwi from China is known as the Actinidia chinensis species. The outside of this kiwi is smooth and does not have the hair you might expect to see. 4 main kiwi types fall into this category. There are also 3 subtypes, which include yellow flesh, yellow-green flesh, and green flesh. The kiwi from New Zealand is known as the Actinidia deliciosa species. This version of the kiwi has the hairy brown skin that you are probably used to seeing. This kiwi is the larger of the 2 and typically lasts longer than its counterpart. The Hayward variety of the New Zealand kiwi is the most well-known. There are separate male and female kiwi plants. Regardless of the species of kiwi, all kiwi vines have male plants and female plants. The fruit of the kiwi grows only on the female vines. The male vines have male flowers, and the female vines have female flowers. The male vines are still needed for pollination. The male vines have more flowers, but the blossoms from a female kiwifruit vine are twice the size and have a pistil in the center for pollen. There only needs to be 1 male plant for every 8 female plants to pollinate. There is one exception to this rule. One type of kiwi plant, called types of kiwi. Kiwi is an egg-shaped fruit that comes in varying sizes. It has thin skin that is sometimes brown and fuzzy. It is well known as fuzzy kiwi fruit. The average kiwi is between 4 and 7.5 centimeters and then 3.5 to 5 centimeters wide. The flesh of the fruit has varying colors of green and is usually juicy, tender, and bittersweet. It contains seeds that are black and edible. The pulp is delicate and Green kiwi. The green kiwi is the most common kiwi. The skin is a fuzzy brown, and it has an oval shape. The flesh on the inside is green, and it contains black seeds. The flavor of the green kiwi has a sweet but tangy taste. This kiwi is high in fiber. The green kiwi fruit is produced all year round, so you can get it whenever you want it. Golden kiwi. The golden kiwi, also known as Actinidia chinensis. It is a cousin to the green kiwi. It has fewer hairs on the outside, giving it a smoother look. The exterior of the skin is a color that is golden brown. The flesh is a bright yellow color and fewer seeds. It has a small core on the outside. The golden, or gold kiwi fruit tastes more tropical, like a combination of a strawberry and a mango. Since the outside of this gold kiwi does not have hair, people like to pick it up and eat it like an apple. The golden kiwi is softer than the green kiwi. The golden kiwi may seem mushy to some, but it is easier to chew and has a ripe taste. The golden kiwi fruit is in season from May to January. Hardy kiwi. Another name for the hardy kiwi is Actinidia arguta and Actinidia kolomikta. The hardy kiwi fruit is a close relative of the kiwi vine that produces the kiwi you are likely to find in your local grocery. This vine is able to handle colder climates. Even though this kiwi is grown in colder weather, it still produces edible fruit that is sweet to taste. This version of the kiwi is smaller. They are so little that they can be eaten as a whole piece without having to peel them. These vines must be controlled because they will grow and take over trees and shrubs. The hardy kiwi produces fruit during the fall but flowers in the springtime. Most of the hardy kiwi have a male plant and a female plant that are separate. They do best when they are planted in the spring after the possibility of frost is gone. The hardy kiwi enjoys almost a full day of sun and soil that drains well. There are many different hardy kiwi varieties. Anananzia kiwi. This kiwi also goes by the name Anna or the Latin Actinidia arguta. This type of kiwi has skin that is green to purple-red skin. The fruit has a fragrant scent. It has a really sweet taste. This particular kiwi will grow in just about any soil and likes full sunshine and partial shade. This version of the kiwi can weigh as much as 1/2 ounce. They are reliable and easy for growing. Dumbarton Oaks kiwi. The Latin name of this kiwi is Actinidia arguta. The Dumbarton Oaks kiwi is a unique kiwi that has light green skin that appears ribbed and looks a lot like a miniature pumpkin. They have a delicious and sweet taste. There is typically a medium-sized fruit. The Dumbarton Oaks kiwi has vines that grow quickly. The skin of this kiwi is smooth because it does not have the fuzzy hair that you expect to see on kiwi. They can be eaten whole like grapes. This version of the kiwi is sweeter and easy to eat. The vines are also smooth and need support to grow properly. Asari kiwi. The Asari kiwi is a unique Japanese variety, and it is self-fertile. It does not need a male plant to pollinate it in order to produce fruit. The fruit is created in tight clusters that are beautiful. The fruit is sweet and large. This variety does not grow vigorously and can use a wall or a fence to grow. Arctic Beauty Kiwi. The Latin name of the Arctic Beauty Kiwi is Actinidia kolomikta. The Arctic Beauty Kiwi is one of the cold-tolerant varieties of all the kiwi. It can handle the coldest temperatures. The Arctic Beauty is a hardy fruit that has leaves that are white and pink, which look beautiful in nature. The fruit of Arctic Beauty is smaller than many other kiwi varieties. They taste delicious and sweet. The Arctic Beauty kiwi produces fruit in just about any soil. They need a male plant so they can be pollinated to produce fruit. They need full sunlight, large amounts of water, and training. This version of the kiwi has green leaves in the spring but then becomes white and pink at the tips.